Mr. Ole Kina, Senador from Kenya.
Thank you very much. In our group, we were tasked with the responsibility of discussing the issue of anticipatory governance in parliaments, creating in-house capacities and competency. The first thing that we did is to highlight the challenges which are there, and we began by accepting the fact that different societies, different parliaments are in different levels of understandings of AI, its opportunities and risks. We identify the different government structures and limitations of each government, the lack of data or the quality of that data being low. We also realize the fact that AI is good for interpolating but not for extrapolating. We explore the cost of technology, levels of awareness, where in the case of lack or very little cultural context and understanding of AI, we also explore the issues of political interferences and constraint in terms of application and acceptance of AI. Lack of regulations was one of the key issues that we explored, and I'm happy that the draft report has looked into that. And how far do we want to regulate? We looked at the disadvantages, sectors, women and children, lack of interruptions between stakeholders, actually not interruption, lack of collaboration between stakeholders, governments and academia. And then we looked at the skills, AI capacity challenges in the staff of parliament and also legislators themselves. We looked at the risk of AI becoming autonomous. Who has to switch it off? And then we also looked at the issue of data and storage. While we were discussing this, we came up with certain mitigating factors and opportunities, which one, it is imperative that we have negotiated legislation, which brings together all the stakeholders on how to regulate AI and its applications, what it is required, in the sense that we require cooperations between the developers, the regulators, and the users. It was also very, very important as a part of the mitigating factors is for us to create awareness and to disseminate information of AI, its risks and opportunities to the lower cadre of the users. The other most important thing is in terms of the data. Most tools that you have, it is written in fine print and you just accept that we want to have full disclosure on the application of that data and its uses. We talked a little bit about algorithm, given that different levels of parliament, some have an understanding, some do not have, and the need to be able to ensure that everyone understands the use of algorithm in defining the future of each nation. The most important thing that was reinforced is the need for human beings to be in the center of AI, to be able to protect human integrity. One of the key issues that was reiterated a lot is the key word to safeguard. We have to share knowledge of AI and its applications in the legislation. We have to strengthen existing legislations and allocate budgets to ensure public service is fully digitized. While public service is becoming digitized, it is important to enhance digital literacy, develop a robust and talent human resource to deal with AI, its potentials and its challenges. And then we also looked at the needs to foster and develop human resource to build capacity in our parliament and its staff. Other key issues is we organize an open parliament and invite developers and other stakeholders to develop a plan on ensuring continuous editing of AI tools and their applications to ensure ethics and trust in all governance. The other key most important thing that it behooves all of us is to develop worldwide working groups which oversee parliaments to ensure that no one is left behind. all parliaments around the world to establish future committees to inculcate the culture of foresight as a collective responsibility. And then key most important thing is to develop tools like templates to ensure independence of parliaments and to safeguard parliament's independence from the executive. And also, to summarize or to conclude, is to ensure that during the legislative development, at the pre-publication scrutiny, the issue of future is included in it, and the use of technology, particularly AI. And with this, we call for actions locally and internationally on acceptance of AI as the current and the future position of this world. I thank you.
Thank you very